Top features introduced in Java 11 are local variable syntax for Lambda parameters. Java 11 allows the use of the var keyword to declare the formal parameters of Lambda expressions. HTTP client, standardized. A new standardized HTTP client API was introduced, which supports both synchronous and asynchronous programming models. Nest-based access control. Java 11 introduced nest-based access control, which allows private members of a class to be accessed by other members of the same nest. Launch single-file source code programs. With Java 11, you can run single-file Java source code programs directly using the Java command, without the need for explicit compilation. Java 11 includes a new experimental garbage collector called Epsilon, which is designed for scenarios where you want to disable garbage collection entirely. Java 11 introduced a new constant type called dynamic constant, which allows dynamic linkage of a constant variable's value at runtime. Improved AOD and JIT compilation brings performance improvements, resulting in faster start